Hello and welcome to Diya's Funplay. In today's video, let's learn what is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse side in a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. In this image shown on the screen, you see a right angle triangle with three sides marked as A, B and C. The longest side C is called the hypotenuse, the vertical side A is called the perpendicular, and the bottom side B is called the base. The hypotenuse is always the longest side and the side opposite to the right angle in a right angle triangle. In the image, the longest side is C and the side opposite to the right angle is also C. So, the side C is considered as hypotenuse. Please keep in mind that hypotenuse happens only in right angle triangles and is not associated with any other triangles. Let's take an equilateral triangle for an example. An equilateral triangle does not have a hypotenuse because it does not have a right angle due to the fact that all the three sides of an equilateral triangle are equal in lengths. I hope you now understood what is a hypotenuse. I made a simple model to demonstrate and understand the use of Pythagoras theorem. In my model, this bottom side is called the base, this vertical side is called the perpendicular, and this movable lengthy side is called the hypotenuse. You can move the hypotenuse up and down using syringes in this model. Please refer to the making video if you plan to build this model. Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean theorem is basically used to find the missing length of one of the sides of a right angle triangle and the angle of a triangle. Using the formula c square is equal to a square plus b square, you will be able to find the missing side of the triangle. If you know the values of the sides a and b, you will be able to calculate the side c. Pythagoras theorem is used in real life too. It is mainly used in construction and architecture. It is used to calculate the height and slope of mountains and hills. It is also used to calculate the length of staircases required to reach a particular point or a floor in buildings, etc. Hope you understood what is Pythagoras theorem and its uses. Thanks and see you again in my next video.
Thanks for watching DS Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Why not subscribe right here, right now? Don't forget to press the bell icon. The choice is yours. DS Funplay.